Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see one example of solution of given system by method of inversion. See the example. Solve the given system by method of inversion means by method of inverse. Okay. So this is the given system. It has two variables x y and two equations. Okay, first we have to adjust x y and equal to constant. We have to adjust equations like first all x then y and is equal to constant or number. Now in next step, in solution, first write the given equations given. Okay, then convert the given system in matrix form. Okay, so draw three matrix. First matrix column matrix equal to a column matrix. Now in first matrix, first row is coefficient of x and y in first equation. See, coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is 2. So, first row is 1, 2. Now, for the second row, take the coefficient of x and y in second equation. Okay. Then, second row is 2, 3. Okay. Now, second column matrix xy, there are two variables x and y, is equal to, take 2 and 3. Okay, is equal to 2 3. Okay, now give the names to the matrix A. First matrix is A, second is x and third is B. Therefore the equation becomes ax is equal to b. Okay, we write here formula directly, x is equal to a inverse into b. So we have x is equal to a inverse into b. Okay, here a is equal to this matrix. So we have written here a is equal to first matrix, x is equal to second matrix and b is equal to third matrix. Now to find x, we have to find a inverse because b is already here. Okay, so we have to just find a inverse. So we will start with finding a inverse. So to find a inverse, okay, first we have to find the determinant of a. So determinant of a is equal to determinant of 1 2 2 3. So determinant is cross multiplication, 3 minus 4. So it is minus 1. So determinant is not equal to 0. Therefore a inverse exists. Now to find a inverse, first we calculate minors and cofactors. Okay, so minor m11, m11 means first element, so delete row and column of that element. So minor is 3. Okay, so here it is 3. Now cofactor a11 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into this minor 3. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So minus 1 raised to 2 is even. So minus 1 raised to even is plus. So plus 3. So answer is 3. Okay. Now second, m12, minor of 1 2. So minor of 1 2 means this element. So delete row and column of that element. You have 2. Okay. So answer is 2. So cofactor a12 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into minor this minor 2 we have written here. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so 3 is odd number. So minus 1 raised to odd is minus. So it is minus 2. It is minus 2. So answer is minus 2. Now M21, second row first column. Second row, okay, second 2 1 element, delete row and column. So answer is 2. Okay, so m21 is 2. So a21 cofactor is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into this 2. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So minus 1 raised to odd power is minus. So it is minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Now m22, you calculate that m22 and a22 like this. Then now we have all the cofactors. Then we write matrix of cofactors. So matrix of cofactors means we generate a matrix of cofactors according to these cofactors. Okay, so a11 is 3, a12 is minus 2, 21 is minus 2, 22 is 1. Okay, so this is matrix of cofactors. Now, by using this matrix of cofactors, we will find adjoint of the matrix by taking transpose of matrix of cofactors. First, we will take transpose of this matrix, then adjoint A is equal to, transpose means row becomes columns. So first row is 3 minus 2. It is column 3 minus 2. Minus 2 1. Minus 2 1. Okay. So we have taken transpose. So it is adjoint of A. Now by after doing adjoint, we will write the formula for A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Put the values. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant is minus 1. So 1 upon minus 1 into adjoint is this 3 minus 2 minus 2 1. So 1 upon minus 1. 1 upon minus 1 means minus 1. So we will multiply that minus 1 to matrix. So if we multiply this minus 1 to matrix, we have to multiply minus 1 to every element of the matrix. Okay. So multiply minus 1 to each element of the matrix. So minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 is 2. Similarly. So A inverse is minus 3 to 2 minus 1. This is inverse of A. Now we will find value of x. So x is equal to A inverse into B. Okay. So A inverse is this and B, we already have B. Okay. So x is equal to minus 3 to 2 minus 1 and B is 2 3. Okay. So multiply this matrix to this by row, multiplication is by row column, minus 3 into 2. First row, first column, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. 2 into 3 is 6. So minus 6 plus 6. Now this row, second row, first column, 2 into 2 4, minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So 4 minus 3. Okay. So x is minus 6 plus 6 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. So x is 0 1. That is equal to matrix xy. That is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Therefore, solution of the given system is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Okay.